but you can hear it. We're in the tank. At least I think so. Oh wow, look at that. This is a normally rinse, so we do have a sewer rinse on our RV, and I use it religiously. Apparently not good enough, because it's thick. So what this does is this builds up all around the edges of the tank. And boy, do we got some stuff coming out. So right now I just let it do its job. And about now you're asking, both of you, or all of you, how long does this take? Answer is it depends, until it comes out clean.